Chess, thank you. The capital murder trial for Robbi Robinson. It has entered day 2. Now, we want to warn you with this as well. Details, this is disturbing also. Robinson is the Fairfield Township man accused of pouring a flammable liquid onto his father's girlfriend and then setting her on fire. Police say she then jumped out of a second-story window to escape from him, and that's when a neighbor spotted her and called for help. Yesterday, we heard from that man who called 911 and police. Today, we're getting a look at the room where the fire was started and hearing from fire officials as well. Ken Brown, once again, live in Hamilton with what has happened on that witness stand today. Ken?
Couple of Fairfield Township police officers take the stand today to testify, and you want to talk about fire investigators. We heard from one of the first firefighters to report to the scene the day this all unfolded back in 2023, and his testimony was used to shed some light on how the fire started.
This is our first look inside the home where Robbi Robinson allegedly set his father's girlfriend on fire. The prosecution says Brenda Scott was sleeping when Robbi Robinson busted through the door, punched her in the face, knocked out her 2 front teeth, and then poured a flammable liquid over her and flicked on a lighter. Today, prosecutors worked to prove to the jury that this fire was no accident and called to the stand a firefighter who had a thermal imaging device on the scene back in May of 2023.
You said that there was an irregular pattern heat register on the mattress.
Typically, like if somebody would be smoking in bed, fall asleep with a cigarette in the bed, it'll burn in a circular pattern and expand out. The pattern on this was all over the place. It was here, it was there, and I could see that with the camera. I could see those temperature variations.
Firefighter David Kaiser also pointed out the small Bic lighter they found inside the bedroom as he highlighted the irregularities in the burn pattern.
It means that most likely a substance was used to ignite the item.
I don't know what happened. It just went off, bro.
We've shown you this clip of Robbi Robinson outside of the home being placed in handcuffs before. While Robinson told officers he didn't know what happened, investigators took pictures of Robinson's hands that appeared to have some blistering and other indicators that he may have been close to the fire.
Photograph is the top part of his hands as he's reaching out, showing the black areas on his hands, black soot.
Part of testimony today was Robbi Robinson's father actually took the stand. Now, our cameras were not allowed to record as his testimony was given today, but I can tell you he discussed the relationship between Brenda Scott and his son, Robbi Robinson Jr. This trial continues into day 3 tomorrow with the prosecution still to call witnesses to the stand, and we are still yet to hear the opening statements from Robbi Robinson's defense team as they reserve those statements for later on in these proceedings. Reporting live in Hamilton, Ken Brown, Fox 19 Now.